Welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to learn about the VBA code to find the last modified date of a file. We just need to input the file path to this VBA function. This function will return the last modified date for that file. You can see that I have used two methods to get this detail. First one is a straightforward file datetime function. This takes file path as input. I am going to input a sample file present in one of the system folder. Copy the path and give as input to this function. You can see the date created and date modified for this file in here. The other methods uses file system object to get this detail. Using file system objects get file method, we can get these three different details. File creation date. Last accessed and modified. Let's run this function using F5 and get the results. You can see that we got all the file-specific date details in this immediate window. We can compare the results with actual date in the folder path in File Explorer. You can see that the dates are matching. You can use this code in your VBA projects to get file last modified date. Subscribe for more such updates. Thanks for watching. Bye.